Hey everybody, it's Flatbread Friday. I had no idea what I was going to make for a pizza this week, and I went to the fresh market to get my favorite pizza dough, and I found some, and I haven't seen these around here at all ever, some Pepperonidew peppers. They are sweet and spicy. I don't know if you're familiar with them or not, but they are delicious. And so I bought those, and I got some pepperoni and some fresh mozzarella pearls, and we are going to make a pepperoni pepperdew or double pepper pizza. I don't know what I'm going to call it, but it's going to be fun and an experiment, and it's a Flatbread Friday play day for me. So let's get her done. First thing we're going to do is get our crust ready. Spread out some flour on our work surface. Put down our dough ball. And stretch out the edges. Stretch out the middle, and go back and finish up the edges. This is getting round, but we're doing a rectangular pizza today. So let's get her into shape. We're on our sheet pan lined with parchment. Let's stretch out the edges. Today we're just going to push them up against the sides. Hopefully they'll stay. I guess we can pinch them up, press them in, pinch them up, make them retain their shape. We'll go all the way around. Crust is all shaped up, and next we're going to do is pierce it up with a fork. I'm going to go all over the place, prevent air bubbles from popping up while we're baking it. All pierced up, and now we're going to decorate our top with our toppings, our crust with our toppings. First thing that's going on is some red sauce. Spread it all around. Our sauce is on. Next thing that's going on is some shredded mozzarella cheese. Gonna go all over. Our cheese is on, nicely topped. Next thing that's going on is our pepperoni. We're going to decorate this bad boy, so it has to be nicely spaced. And we're going to top it off. Pepperoni's on. And I have a thought about these pepperdews. I want to pop the little mozzarella balls in them and put them around. That'll be fun and pretty and tasty. Some of them are kind of big. We'll have to pick out the smaller ones. And Stuff that in there. Press them down into the cheese. And let's finish laying them out. It's gonna be good. Our little stuffed peppadews are on with our pepperoni. And I had a few thinly sliced red onions in the fridge. We'll add a little something something to these. Red roni, red peppadew, red onion, red. Okay, looking good. And we're going in the oven. It's probably gonna take about 20 minutes at 450 degrees. Our spicy and sweet pepperonidew pizza is out of the oven. Looking great. Smelling great, and now we're going to slice it and serve it. Here is our pizza on a plate, and because it is sweet and spicy, pepperoni is spicy, and the peppadew peppers are sweet, we're going to drizzle it with a little bit of my hot honey, which is going to make it yummy. Give it a little extra color, we're going to garnish it with some of our chopped Italian herbs, parsley, basil, oregano. And here we are, our sweet and spicy pepperonidew pizza. Now we're going to take a bite. Thank you for joining me on this week's edition of Flatbread Friday. Here's our sweet and spicy pepperonidew pizza, and now we're going in. So darn good. I love peppadew peppers, and I'm going to be doing more stuff with those now that I've found them at the fresh market. And I actually pulled some blue cheese out of my freezer today that I had in there. I'm going to make some stuffed ones. Maybe even wrap them in bacon or something like that. But that'll be coming up at some point. And thanks again for joining me, and we'll see you again soon.